welcome back to Mel's Crochet Corner. I hope that everyone is safe and doing well. Today I want to come on and give you all a little update on my tomato plants. You all remember when I posted them, they were short on the ground? Now look at them, guys. Look at how big they have gotten. And guess what? They have all been flowering. Yeah, and some of the plants have already started to produce tomatoes. Look at how much. You see that? Look at how many. They are so beautiful. My goodness. But look at this too. Look at the height of this tree. It has grown really tall. Wow, I'm impressed. So I just wanted to show you all how big they have gotten and to let you all see that they started bearing. Look at these here. See those? And there's a little one there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. And we got lots and lots of flowers. These trees really grow tall, boy. They grow really tall. There are lots of baby tomatoes all over coming up, but some of them I can't see them because they camouflage, disguise themselves in between the branches, so it's hard to see all of them. I can't wait for when they get ripe to decide what I'm gonna do with them. Look at flowers on this one. He has a lot of flowers. Look, oh my goodness, I didn't even notice that this one started bearing too. Wow. But I'm amazed by how tall these trees have gotten. My last set of tomato trees that I had was never this tall. They really gotten very tall. Wow. Oh yes, you might have seen I use my yarn to tie up the trees. That's to help support it and the weight of the tomatoes. So my husband was like, this is just crazy. My husband was like, when you go to do the videos, people are gonna ask you, how come they're seeing so much yarn on the tree? So I told him I will just tell you all, well, I'm trying to grow yarn. I know it's crazy. It's just a crazy, hilarious thought. But yeah, I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, because I truly enjoyed watching these plants grow. I am amazed by it, you all. Especially how tall they have grown. This is my first set of tomato plants that I seen grow this tall. Alright, you all, I'm gonna go now. I'll see you all in my next video. Oh, before I go, there's my thyme. See how nice this Spanish thyme came up? This is just one set here. And well, the Shada Benny, I know I have a little bit of weed to weed up. Haven't got around to doing it just yet because with school and the children and thing, it's been taking all my time. So I'll get around to it soon. This is our hot pepper plant. It's coming up really nice too. And this little guy here, as you can see, that's a saffron plant, or turmeric as you all know it. Yeah. And this is the other set of thyme, and right behind this thyme here See this little plant here? That's a sweet pepper plant. It's really short and I can't wait to see it bear. Over here is some more hot peppers, and I believe I have this, some pimentos here. More Chardonnay bandania. My mint plant. Yep. I've been searching really long to get some mint seeds or even a small mint plant here in my country, and it's been failure. I finally found one place that had one pack of it alone. So I took it, and it took me a very long while before it started to come up, and this is the results here now. And over here there are more pimentos and hot peppers. Yeah, but the tomato plants blew me away. I am so impressed with it. So amazed. And here I'm struggling a little bit with these baigan or melanjan, however you want to say it or however you call it. Yeah, these eggplants. Yes, eggplants, that's the correct word for it. I've been struggling to get these to grow because as fast as they start to catch themselves, these are limes, these are lime plants, but these, as fast as they start to grow, there's something eating the leaves really fast. So I moved them from where I had them and I put them in these containers, hoping that they catch themselves a little bit. And there's more limes. This is another one that I transplanted yesterday because I find that the leaves were getting eaten up a lot. I don't know what to do because I don't want to use any chemicals on it. So I'm hoping that they catch themselves and I do get to see the eggplants get big and bare. This is the second time I've tried planting the eggplants because the first time I did it, they started growing and something ate the entire plant. Something was eating it really bad. So that's my second shot at it. Alright you all, I hope you all have a wonderful week, a productive one and a fabulous one. And thank you all so much for being here and hanging out with me and viewing my tomato plants. So until then everyone, be safe. I love you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.